Hi children, welcome to Concepts with Shobna. In today's video, we are going to see about ratio and proportion exercise 6.3.
Now we will go into exercise 6.3. This exercise consists of only application problems. All these application problems are very important. Okay, and easier you can work out. Okay, we will see how to do each problem. First problem. 6 bowls cost rupees 90. What would be the cost of 10 such bowls? Yes, cost of 10 such bowls. How do we do that? Okay, so now look at this. Now what are we doing here? We are comparing bowls and the cost. Okay, so we will write bowls get cost. Got it? Yes. How many bowls are there? 6 bowls. What is cost of each bowl? What is the total cost? 90 rupees. It means 6 bowls cost 90 rupees. And what is the cost of 10 bowls? So bowls, how many bowls you need? 10 bowls. You don't know the cost. So இதுக்கு வந்து நம்ம question mark போட்டுக்கலாம். இது ஈஸியா நீங்க ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம். ஸ்டெப்ஸ் இதுக்கு ரொம்பவே கிடையாது. என்ன பண்ணணும்? என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கோ just keep writing. அத ரெண்டு காலமா we will divide. Bowls and cost தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So first bowls we will write in one column and cost another. நம்ம எதை கம்பேர் பண்றோமோ அத மட்டும் தான் எழுதணும். இப்போ bowls and cost தான் கம்பேர் பண்றோம். So bowls 6 bowls. ஒரு bowl உடைய காஸ்டும் we don't know, but ஆனா total cost of 6 bowls நமக்கு 19 தெரியும். So we need to find of 10 bowls. See how do we do that? ரொம்ப simple. இந்த arrow மட்டும் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிட்டோம்னா நம்ம இந்த யூனிட் மெத்தட ஈஸியா போட்டுட்டு போயிடலாம். எப்படி பாருங்க? Just to draw an arrow down towards the question mark and one arrow up on the other side. So this indicates எந்த arrow downல வரையணுமோ அந்த arrowவை அந்த நம்பரை தூக்கி denominatorல போடுங்க. The upward arrow denotes it's in the numerator. Just multiply the arrow, upward arrow. Okay, அவ்வளவுதான், simple, முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. So the question mark is equal to, as I said, the arrow downwards is in the denominator, arrow upwards is multiplied in the numerator. So, இப்போ we need to cancel. How do we do that? 6 tables, 6 ones are 6 and 6 15s are 90. So, what is the value now? 10 into 15 is 150. So, 150, the unit in it is rupees. Yes, ratios la, we don't consider ratios unit, but when you, after finding the cost, we are supposed to write the unit. Okay, how do we write the unit now? Inga the cost is always represented in rupees. In a rupees 90 irukku, so we will use rupees 150 as the unit. So express it now. Therefore, complete the answer. Cost of 10 bowls is equal to rupees 150. It's as simple. Yes, hope you understood. We'll go to the next question. What is the next question? 10 pencils cost rupees 15. How many pencils can be bought? How many pencils can be bought with rupees 72? Okay, look at this question. Here also what are we doing? You are comparing pencils. 10 pencils with 15 rupees and how many pencils can be bought with rupees 72? Okay, so இங்க என்ன ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா நீங்க பார்க்கணும்னா ஒரு சின்ன க்ளூ உங்களுக்கு நான் சொல்றேன், சின்ன ட்ரிக் சொல்றேன். நீங்க என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணுமோ write that on the right hand side. Okay, எது கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ just write it on the left hand side. We will divide it into two. இப்ப pencils and cost தானே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? Number of pencils கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So pencils கண்டுபிடிக்கச்சு we will put the pencils on the right hand side. Cost is given, so we will write the cost on the left hand side. Okay, that will make things simpler. How? Paranga? Okay, so how many pencils? 10 pencils. First line என்ன இருக்கு? 10 pencils cost rupees 15. So pencils 10 போட்டாச்சு. Cost is rupees 15. So 15 rupees இங்க போட்டாச்சு. Cost you write bracketல சின்னதா symbol போட்டுக்கோங்க. So the end we will not forget this. Okay, so 10 pencils are cost 15 rupees. இப்போ இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? How many pencils can be bought with rupees 72? So pencils only we need to find. So pencil இருக்க இடத்துல just put a question mark. Okay, now cost என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? is 72. So where is the cost? Under that cost write 72. The same thing we will do. Put the arrow down and this is the upward arrow. So as I said, question mark is equal to, put the division symbol. So 15 into question mark. So 15 will come in the denominator and 72 will go into the numerator. So 72 into 10. Okay, now how will you cancel 72 into 10? 72 and 15 you can cancel it using 10 and 15 we will do, or 72 and 15. 72 and 15 we will do. We will cancel using 3 tables. 3 5s are 15. Okay, inga pandachi 24. 3 and 24. Yes, now you can cancel 5 and 10. 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. So nothing in the denominator to cancel. So this is the final answer. So 24 into 2, which is 48. Where is the question mark? It is in pencils. So you need not write any unit over here. So question mark is equal to 48. Now let's complete the answer. That is, number of pencils is equal to 48. You understood? This is a simpler method of working. I will also show now how to use a ratio in this problem. So how will you use ratio here? What are we going to do? This is another method I am doing. This is another method. So whichever method is simplified, whichever method you find it easy, you can do in that method. Okay, another method. See how to use ratios in this method. இதுவும் ratio தான். இங்கேயும் நம்ம ratio தான் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். We have compared 15 with 10 and 72 with with the question mark. So we compared these two and we arrived at the answer. இங்கேயும் another methodல இங்கேயும் comparison தான் பண்ண போறோம். But in another manner. எப்படின்னா, now we will take cost of 10 pencils. Let us take it to be 15 rupees. Okay, cost of 10 pencils is 15 rupees. Now number of pencils, let us take it to be X. This X for number of pencils for rupees 72, we are going to take it as X. So now what are we going to do? We are going to compare 10 pencils with X. So 10 is to X is equal to, what I said ratios means comparing same quantities. அப்போ பென்சிலோட பென்சில் I have to compare. இங்க 10 pencils இருக்கு, இங்க X pencils இருக்கு. So 10 is to X. இங்க அதே மாதிரி you have to compare the cost. இங்க cost என்ன 15, இங்க cost என்ன 72. See, we should be very careful in this. You shouldn't change the cost. பாத்துக்கோங்க, இங்க 10 pencil cost தான் இங்க வந்து போடணும். X உடைய cost இங்க போடணும். இங்க X க்கு you shouldn't write 72. Got it? So be very careful in writing ratios, because ratios அதான் சொன்னேன், ratios na you are deriving a relationship between two quantities. So corresponding quantity ஓட ratio தான் நம்ம எழுதணும். இப்போ 10 pencil க்கு 15 rupees na, அப்போ 10 க்கு கீழ தான் 15 எழுதணும். Now how will you do this? Now see, 10 by X is equal to 15 by 72. So how will you find out? இங்கேயும் அதே தான். See, 15x is equal to 72 into 10. X is equal to 72 into 10 divided by 15. Okay, இங்கே ratios எல்லாம் போட்டிங்க வந்தோம். இதே procedure தான் திருப்பி இங்கே நம்ம வந்திருக்கோம். So இங்கேயும் the same process. 3 table cancel பண்றேன். 5 3s are 24s are 72. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. So X is equal to 48. Hope you understood. இங்க பாருங்க, the same answer we have arrived. இங்கேயும் we did the same thing. This is a unitary method. So in the either you can do in this method or you can use this. இதுவும் ratio தான். Either method, whichever method is convenient, whichever method is easy for you, you can work it in both the ways. Okay, all these problems are very important. ஏன்னா நிறைய இனி futureல when you go for higher classes, all these unitary methods plays a major role. You can easily work out these problems. Okay. Hope you understood, children. If you don't understand, please post it in the comment box. All your queries, I will answer all your queries. Okay, the other questions we will meet in the next video. Thank you, children.